Rightio guys, full tank, 500 meter ferry. We're spraying scattered blackberry, one run, no cuts. We've got a full set of batteries. We've got 80 litres of chem in the drone. Got a full tank, and we're going to hum along to the block here. You can see here we're running about 72 kph, max speed to the block. There's just no mucking about, it's just straight beeline for it. And the block we're spraying today is just in front of the camera there, just a little section of it. Just spraying some scattered blackberry. We've set up the map in a way so it's blanket spraying the hill with no spray zones in the bigger gaps of pasture. You might notice in these blocks that we go past a little bit these bigger bushes, and it's good to give the blackberry quite a wide berth. You might find there's vines throughout the grass and the pasture just around the bigger bushes, so try to maximize the coverage, try to cover it all. So it's not a complete map. The drone's not spraying on all the time, so it'll be a real good test for it. We're doing this at 150 litres to the hectare, 4 metre spacing, and we've slowed the drone down to about 5.6 metres a second, just to ensure good coverage onto the bush. And we're using the 3D route operation here today. 3D route operation, it knows what's ahead of it. You've plugged in the data for it. Just ensures great terrain following from the drone. You can see in environments like this, the P150 Max really shines. It really uses its battery consumption well. It's a lighter drone than most, and it uses that to its advantage. It's not just about the tank size, it's the efficiency of the drone, people. You can see here we've just about used half of the payload there, and we've got 54% of the battery left. Once you start to get down below this 50 litre mark, your drone becomes really efficient. It goes forever almost. We're loving the P150 Max in New Zealand here. For this sort of scattered blackberry stuff, it's amazing. You just get longer life out of the batteries. And yeah, I was consistently taking 80 litre loads on stuff like this. Real game changer for the New Zealand environment. Bigger is not always better. It's the efficiency of your drone. And this P150 Max, this is efficient. Yeah, but guys, out of liquid, time for the peel back. We've got 33% as we start our run back. Empty load, got all the time in the world with that. If you like the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Tell us what sort of content you're after. I think this is a really good example of what the P150 is able to accomplish in our terrain, which is really cool to see. Turning into land here, 30% battery, camera points down automatically for your landing site. And touchdown there. What do we got? 29%. Look at that.